Hi, everybody. James here. Today's woodworking tip is you can never have enough clamps. It's true. It's so true. Good quality clamps and a lot of them. I clamp everything, and I mean everything. For example, I have a big project going. I have clamps of all shapes, sizes, all sorts of things, clamping all these pieces together. And let's not forget about all those too. Oh my goodness. And I still have some up on my wall. So that's today's woodworking tip. You can never have enough clamps. It's so true. Shh, don't tell anybody.